Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and unique ideas. All the ideas are very unique, pretty and so adorable. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for you, and you will love these videos, and all the ideas are very helpful for your home decor also. So keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos. Don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.